How are you today? I'm with my colors, and this time I'm going to choose a very basic neutrals to create a beautiful eye look for every day, or maybe for a business meeting, or maybe for a casual business day. Okay, so yeah, today I'm going to attend a very casual business meeting, and I'm getting ready for that. Of course, red lipstick is on because I wanted to wear that color, and now I'm going to create something very neutral yet stunning on my eyes. Actually, it's a warm brown, it's a coppery color, it's a champagne shade, and it is a berry shade which has shimmers. These three shades are shimmery, and this is the shade which is completely matte. I'm going to use my Viseart Petit Pro palette, and it's a very small petite palette, of course, and I have used it a lot. I love all the shades here. Today I'm going to use these 4 shades: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are the swatches. Let's get started. I'm going to use a very thick, dense brush. Okay, and starting with my matte brown. Of course, I have mentioned all the products details in the description box, so if you're interested in knowing what products I have used for this overall look, you can go ahead and check the description box thoroughly. If you have similar shades in your makeup collection, please go through that and get started with those colors. I always want you to check your own makeup collection first for the colors I'm using here. Use that because similar kinds of colors can give you a similar kind of look. Going all over my lid, crease and transition with this matte brown. It's a very nice, warm, earthy brown, and I love using this color on my transition most of the time, but today I want this color all over my lid, crease and transition, all blended. Next I'm going to take the coppery shade, and of course it is a shimmer shade, and I want to use my ring finger to pat that shade all over my lid. Look at that. Actually, my looks are not that specific to some event or a meeting or something. I like playing with colors, and whenever something interesting comes into mind, I just want to play with those colors. That's when I check for those colors in my own makeup collection. If I have those colors, if I can find some similar shade, and I can go ahead with the look. So that's how it works for me. When the colors are well blended, mixed in together, it gives a nice look. So it'll be something special because we are thinking about different color combinations, and whenever it is inspired by nature, that is something amazing. I just wanted to show you, this is my fall flowers, and maybe tomorrow I'm going to create something beautiful just like this, and yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, the coppery shade is on, and now I'm going to add my pink. It is actually a muted pink. You can say muted pink or berry kind of shade. This shade. It has a berry twist to it. It has pink. It is also very muted, subtle, and I like it. And I'm going to pat it on the outer corner of my lid. Well, if you are a color lover, if you are a nature lover, if you are a makeup lover, you are at the right place. So get your colors and create something unique to you. and surprise yourself. I'm overlapping that beautiful pinky berry shade with the coppery shade here and little bit on the transition as well. That's it. Pretty neutral. Base eyeshadow brush, and I do not have any color on this brush. I just want to blend it everything together. By the way, I'm loving this orangey red on my lips today. How about you? What color are you going to wear today on your eyelids, on your lips? You can share with me on the comment section. I have an interesting idea in my mind for tomorrow's video. Of course, I have these flowers, which, yeah, it's like a beautiful natural inspiration to me. And along with this, I have another interesting idea for an interesting eye look. So wait for that. I'm taking this smallest brush in my collection. Of course, it came with a palette. You can use any small brush which can give you an edgy and pinpointed effect. After a long time, I'm using this brush. I love it because it gives me a nice edgy look. At the same time, I can pull the color up, down, wherever I want with this brush, and it is very nice in that manner too. I think I can control this brush. Yeah, see? Nice, right? And now I'm going to use that champagne shade on the innermost corner and also as my pop here. Okay, it is pretty cloudy today and I'm going for this neutral look. Now, is there a connection between those two things? The weather being cloudy and me going for a natural neutral look, because usually I go for warm looks. I still have my warm brown on, so that's there. Now a little bit of that champagne shade right here on my brow bone. This is not my everyday step, okay? Sometimes I do this step, sometimes I just skip it. It all depends on how I want to go for a look. What do you think? It is a very nice, natural, neutral look, and I think it is going pretty well with my this beautiful orangey red. Okay, now I'm going to apply eyeliner and a couple of coats of mascara, and then I'll join you for the finished look. Meanwhile, just go check for those colors in your collection and get started, okay? So this is the look I'm going to wear today, and I'm going to rock this look. I think I'm going to add that brown one more time just to show you right here, just to give my eyes a little smoky effect. You know, I like smoky eyes a lot. So today I'm using my warm brown to create that smokiness on my lower lash line and connecting it with the crease shade, which is the same shade. Very simple, very pretty and very natural eye look. You can try it for sure and let me know about your experience with the colors. Look at that, smudging it with the liner. So it gives that nice smoky, intense eye look. And yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the look. So I'm going to call it a day now and going to rock this look. Today, my natural eye look tutorial, and tomorrow I think I'm going to go for something bright, something warm, something more of my comfort zone. And yeah, see you soon. Okay, come back soon. You know, you are always welcome to my channel to watch fun makeup tutorials. I'll be waiting for you with another theme, another look. Okay, meanwhile, can you let me know what are your favorite colors? I mean, if you have to pick 4 colors, 4 of your favorites, because I have an idea in my mind for tomorrow's or maybe day after tomorrow's eye makeup tutorial, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to pick my 4 favorite colors and I'm going to create a look with that. Needless to say, it'll be bright. It'll be very, very bright and warm because I love those colors. So bye for now. Have a great day. See you soon.